everybody, welcome to Kids Tech eLaunch. Today we are going to see how to make your very own maths quiz in just 10 to 15 minutes. So let's get started with our quiz. First we have to delete this sprite. And we have to choose a new sprite from the sprite library. So I'm going to choose this duck and click OK. Here's my duck. Grow its size a little bit. Now I will choose a new backdrop. I think so this backdrop is perfect for her. So our duck is in the pool. Now we need the scripts for our duck. For that, we have to choose when the green flag clicked. So here it is. And now we have to ask our player that what is his or her name. So take this ask what is your name option from the sensing blocks. And whatever the name the player adds should be said by the duckling. For example, if I entered the name Lucifer, then it should say, well, hello there Lucifer. It would be a good interaction between the player and the sprite. So for that, go into the looks blocks, say hello for 2 seconds, take the join hello world block, add a well, hello there Lucifer, not Lucifer, but we should add the answer blocks from the sensing. Now we have to tell the player that when we press the space key, the quiz will be started. So for that, take this block and enter press space key to start. Now we have to wait until the player presses the space key. For that, take this wait until block and then key space pressed. Now take the loop of repeat and you can add how many number of questions do you need. I am entering 20 here, and then for this or making questions out of the numbers, you have to make some variables. First variable is number 1 and for this sprite only. Make a variable number 2 and for this sprite only. Then make a variable of question. Again it should be for this sprite only. Then total always keep all these for this sprite only. Again make a variable of score. This is the last variable made for this sprite only. And remove these tick marks from these checkboxes. Now in this repeat 20 block, we have to take this set score to 0 block. And you can duplicate 6 times. And now you have to enter number 1 in the first block. And then from the operators blocks, take pick random 1 to 10. It means in this maths multiplication quiz, you have to take numbers between 1 to 6 or 1 to 10 which you have entered here. Again, duplicate this block and put it here and do it as number 2. The next thing is you have to change this one to question and take this join hello world block. Change the next one also. Duplicate this one and change this to question. Now after this, you have to type what is here. And in the very next block, you have to enter number 1. And after this, in the next one, you have to add the question. And in this question, the next blank would be of into sign. And the next one again add question and then add a number 2. After this, again add a question and add a question mark. So this is our programming for just one question. Now we have to tell it that after asking one question, wait until the player answers that question. For that, pick this ask what is your name block and enter question here by using the data tab. It means after asking one question, we have to wait until the player enters what answer is for the question. Next is set total to number into number 2. So set total, go to the operators blocks and choose this into block, and in the data tab take number 1 and number 2. Now the next thing is we have to tell that if the computer's total is equal to the answer, then we have to say very good, and else we have to say oh no. For that, go into the control, take this if block, put it into the repeat loop, come down, take this is equals to block from the operators and take this total. If total is equals to answer, then we have to say very good, and that is in the looks option. Type in very good, and else we have to say oh no. You have to choose this say hello for 2 seconds block for this one also. Now the next thing we have to do is again choose an if block, and then come down, duplicate this one and put it here. Now if total is equals to answer, we have to change the score by 10. So here is my change score. Instead of 1, I will type in 10. Now when the quiz is ended, we have to say something to the player. So here is my say block and enter congratulations, as we have to also congratulate the player. Now after this, we have to make this one that whenever the green flag should be clicked, our score which is there should be turned to 0 again. So set score to 0. Now our quiz is ready. You can just put a tick mark to the score, and if you want that it should be total score, not this name of the character should be visible, just go to this I button. Instead of its name, just enter total. The problem is solved. So it will be their total score. Now the quiz is ready. Let's see it. It's working good. On the right answer it said very good. And on the wrong answer it says oh no. So it is our whole quiz. If you liked our video, please press the thumbs up. And please subscribe our channel Kids Tech eLaunch. Thank you.